not just anybody. My love won't be taken down by a bullet, and I've tried everything, but I'm best at disappearing. And your love used to bring out the best in me, and now I'll be dying, and I am reminded, love to remind me that you're too cool to fall in love.
Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to another video. So today is going to be more of a vlog style video on how to start a healthy lifestyle. I have always tried to be healthy, but I wouldn't say I'm like an aspirational healthy person. I try my best to eat well, to exercise, but of course, like everyone else, I have like my own hiccups with certain things. Like exercise, super hard for me, and it has been kind of a journey. And same with eating healthy. I love food, as most girls do, girls and guys. So, you know, I've had to kind of work through that area and figure out what works for me and how I can be healthier. So recently, it's been the start of the year, of course, and everyone's on a health kick, but I'm trying to kind of develop a healthier lifestyle overall and hopefully do long term for the rest of my life. So Hunter and I have really been focusing on that and doing it in a way that's really achievable and really healthy. So I wanted to kind of bring you guys through my day and sharing with you how I'm getting healthy from like a very normal person perspective, kind of baby steps, and how you can really start to dive into a healthy lifestyle. So first things first is we are gonna go get a workout in. What I've decided with exercise, and I can definitely do a video more on like my fitness journey and stuff, but I realized that I have to work out kind of in the mornings on the weekend. That's the best way for me to kind of get it done, or else I kind of procrastinate and put it off. But I really didn't love exercise. I mean, I do like it, but for me, I always felt like it was a pressure thing, and I would put pressure on myself that I was only exercising because I didn't like my body and I needed to make it look better, and that's how I would approach the gym and fitness. And that is what I realized, like a really unhealthy mindset to have. Like, you have to work out and exercise because you respect your body and do it for yourself and the way that you feel. And the minute that you start to approach fitness that way, it relieves a lot of stress, anxiety off of you. I think especially as a girl, maybe for guys too, but I know for me that was my hardest thing. I always related it to the way that my body looked and my body image, and that would really just put so much pressure on me and make me really anxious. So I've tried to really let go of that. I still have those downfalls, absolutely, when it comes to fitness, but I'm trying to focus on the fact that I just need to do it for me and to make me feel good. So that's really helped a ton. So I'm gonna start with a workout at the beginning of the day. I don't really wanna go, but I'm just gonna force myself to go, always feel better after, and then I'm gonna take you guys through the rest of my day. I'm gonna show you how I approach healthy eating. I have some really good methods that I wanna share with you guys for meal planning and grocery shopping and all that stuff. So it's all really good, useful ways that you can kind of start a healthy lifestyle if you have no idea what you're doing.
Ready to go?
Ready. Okay, so we're on our way to the gym, and Hunter's gonna do my workout with me today. Normally he has kind of a separate program that he does. He goes to another gym, but on his like in between days of those workouts, he'll come with me and kind of do my workouts with me or do some other stuff. So what I started doing normally for fitness before, I'm like really trying to like have more of a fitness journey. So what I did before I got more serious about working out was I would just do hiking and like tennis and things that I really enjoyed, and I still really like doing those things, but I am trying to kind of like feel a little bit stronger and build a little bit more muscle because I've never actually done that. So what I started doing was the Kayla Itsines app called Sweat, and it's like bikini body guide. So What I love is that it's like guided workouts and they're high intensity circuits. So they're 30 minutes, which is great if you're busy and if you have no idea what you're doing. It literally guides you through every single thing. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm on week 3, I think, actually, yeah, of Bikini Body Guide. So I'm gonna do the full body today. Hunter's gonna do it with me, so we'll take you guys to the gym with me, but I wanted to just kind of show you and explain what I am doing right now for my fitness routine.
This gym that Julia goes to is right around the corner from our house.
Yes.
And easy access. That's like actually really important with working out, is having somewhere that is really close and convenient to you, where it's not too much trouble to get out of the house and just
or you can work out, if you have enough space, you can work out from home or even work out outside. That's what's great about the Sweat app also, but it's just less of a barrier of entry for you. So make it simple, make it something that's easy to get to or easy to do.
I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait, but I know that it's too soon. I could run away, but I wanna stay, so I gotta be cool. I don't wanna wait, I don't wanna wait, but I know that it's too soon. I could run away, but I wanna stay, so I gotta play it cool. Where would I? I could count them if I want to. All these years I wasted on you. You gave up. I grew up. Oh, I can't help but wonder, where would I be? What would I do if you were there when I needed you?
Okay, so we just finished. It was really good, really hard.
I'm exhausted.
Barely made it through.
Julia proved me wrong, and yeah, just kicked my butt.
Okay, so we're gonna do a little bit of stretching, then we're gonna head home. I'm gonna show you guys how I meal plan, and we're gonna go to the grocery store and tackle all our healthy eating. Bye.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. No one can make me go home.
Now we are just prepping lunch. I got a salad from there to go. It's sweet potato, kale, pumpkin seeds, and a few cranberries. And I just added some more greens to it to kind of bulk it up a little bit. And then we are just heating up a few other things. We're gonna split the salad and then have these little sweet potato tuna cakes. Okay, so next I kind of want to address eating and healthy eating. Now, I make somewhat of an effort to be a healthy eater, but I do really love delicious gourmet food, so it can be a challenge to definitely cut out things that I know are definitely not as good for me. So right now I'm actually, Hunter and I are doing a program called the Whole30. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about it, but it's a really great way to kind of kickstart learning how to eat healthy if you're totally have no idea what you're doing. So what I love about it is that it's kind of an elimination diet. It's not a diet that's meant to lose weight, although you probably will lose weight because it's really clean food that you're eating, but it's really meant to kind of teach you how to eat properly and to eliminate like any inflammatory foods that make you like really bloated, that like help you not sleep, that drag you down, don't give you as much energy. So I really love the concept of the program because the benefits that you get from it are so amazing. So it's so great for anybody, like regardless of your goals, but super great if you're trying to get more energy and feel lighter and sleep better and just all around optimal health. So essentially, in a nutshell, I'll let you guys research it a little bit more if you want to learn more about it, but it's pretty much very similar to a paleo type of way of eating, but a little bit more strict. So the main things, one, you eat absolutely no sugar at all. So that means cutting out all alcohol, all sugars. You can eat natural sugars like fruit and things like that in like minimal quantities. Two, you're gonna cut out all gluten and grains and legumes. So it's everything from bread, wheat, cereals, rices, corn, all that stuff. A lot of it is really inflammatory to a lot of people's bodies, so you have to cut out all of that. So basically what you're left with is eating protein, healthy fats, and vegetables. So a moderate amount of animal protein and a majority of vegetables. So you really learn how to cook and prepare meals that are really well balanced for you. They make you feel amazing. They give you so much energy. And once you cut the sugar out, oh my gosh, like it is absolutely amazing. Like the steadiness of your blood sugar levels. Like I have not had any cravings. I am like feel really balanced. I have so much energy. I'm sleeping great. I have energy at the gym. It's honestly like the way that everyone should probably eat, although I don't know how sustainable it is long term. So I'm just trying it. It's a nice little kind of detox program to kind of get you eating properly, and it really just like going through the motions of eating this way really teaches you how to kind of structure a plate and like how you should build your meals. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna end the part 1 of the vlog right here, but in part 2 of this vlog, I'm going to dive deeper and show you guys how I meal plan to stay on track and eat super healthy. We're gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna show you the disaster of the grocery store. I'm gonna show you how I food prep and show you some recipes as well. So part 2 will be all about healthy eating and really diving into that. Also, I have a giveaway coming on my channel soon. I think it's going up on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a really juicy giveaway with a lot of beauty products, so stay tuned. And we will see you guys next time.
Adios.
Bye.
Tell that you're checked out. Do you care that I'm suffering? Probably things you and I